Standard 3 Subject English. Today we learn one story. Topic The Proud Dragonfly. What is the topic? The Proud Dragonfly. What is proud? Proud means showing a high opinion of oneself. Now I tell outline of the story. A blue dragonfly lived near a pond. He was a proud insect. One morning he saw a butterfly where he enjoyed the sun by sitting on a lotus leaf. He asked butterfly why it looked sad. Because his wings shine in the sun. While an ant on its way to ant hill told him to find a work because he was always simply sitting and feel proud of himself, but he laughed at ant. After while a ladybug passed, he started to testing by say it to be slim, but ladybug told that it is happy with it. When he saw a bumblebee bustles happily, he started again that it may be bold with its wings of same color, but his wings shines. So bumblebee told to stop boosting himself. When beetle passed him, he told that he was afraid. Then he came a chameleon walks in quietly. The chameleon catches the proud dragonfly with his sticky tongue. It munches and eats the dragonfly. Finally, the proud dragonfly is dead because it is sitting near the rock. He doesn't know about how to save itself, but it is a foolish one.
Let us see the book back exercise. Tick the correct picture. All the insects in the story lived near Dash pond. Dash is too proud of itself, dragonfly. Then listen, think and write. First question, what color is the dragonfly? The dragonfly is blue. Then second, what is the ant carrying? The ant is carrying food. Then third, what color is the bumblebee? The bumblebee has strips of yellow and black. Then fourth question. Why did the chameleon eat the dragonfly? The chameleon eats the dragonfly as it was hungry. Arrange the words and write it. Me would the toys give you. Students, arrange the words. Would you give me the toys? Would you give me the toys? Then second question. Bag would you me a give? Answer. Would you give me a bag? Would you give me a bag? Circle the insects. Lion. Lion is an animal or insect? Animal. So don't circle. Butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. So you circle it. Snail. Snail is not an insect. So don't circle. Camel. Camel is an animal. So don't circle. Horse. Horse also animal. Elephant also animal. Ant. Ant is an insect. So you circle it. Then grasshopper. Grasshopper also insect. So circle. Caterpillar. Caterpillar also insect. So circle it. Dragonfly. Dragonfly is an insect. So circle. Tiger. Tiger is an insect or animal? Animal. So don't circle. Firefly. Firefly is an insect. So you circle. Here butterfly, caterpillar, dragonfly, ant, grasshopper, firefly. These are the insects. So you circle it. Then tick the correct one. Dragonfly is dash blue. Then second question. Ant walks with its legs. The insects live near the dash pond. The tongue of the chameleon is sticky. The boy cuts the cover to help the butterfly. Then we see one small story topic, the boy and the butterfly.
In this story, we are going to see about Sham and Grandpa. Then one insect, butterfly. Sam was a good boy. He liked to help. One day he saw a butterfly in a cover. Sam told that he cut the cover to help the butterfly. Sam's grandpa told no to cut the cover and the butterfly will come out on its own. But Sam cut the cover to help the fly. The fly came out, but it was not able to fly away. The next day, Sam saw it on the same place, rock. He asked, why is the butterfly sit on the rock? Grandpa told, only if it cuts the cover on its own, it will fly. Finally, Sam said, sorry Grandpa, I will never do this again. Let us see the book back exercise. Circle the correct word. Students, look at the picture and tell the answer. First picture, cuts. C-U-T-S, cuts. So you circle it. Then second picture, butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. F-L-Y, fly, butterfly. So you circle it. Then choose and complete the sentences. Sam likes to dash, help. Then second, Sam saw it on the dash, rock. Then third question, Grandpa said not to dash, cut. Here one big picture is there, lot of insects, butterfly, dragonfly, spider, caterpillar, grasshopper, snail, ant, bee, mosquito. These are the insects. Students, look at the picture and tell the answer. Where is the ant? The ant is in the hill. Where is the snail? The snail is near the well. Where is the bee? The bee is on the floor. Where is the beetle? The beetle is on the leaf. Where is the caterpillar? The caterpillar is in the mushroom. Where is the butterfly? The butterfly is on the mushroom. Where is the dragonfly? The dragonfly is on the floor. Where is the mosquito? The mosquito is on the floor. Where is the grasshopper? Students, look at the picture and tell the answer. The grasshopper is near the mushroom. Where is the spider? The spider is under the mushroom. Thank you.